I'm Leslie Lambert Redhead, and if you want to learn how to embrace your inner artist through watercolor painting, then I'm here to help you do that. I'm a professional watercolor artist, known for my vibrant paintings and poured watercolors. I've taught thousands of students of all levels how to paint and how to create their own artistic vision. I also have a book published about watercolor, Watercolor 365, Daily Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. In my courses, I teach the basics of watercolor painting, such as composition, color mixing, and how to balance the spontaneity of watercolor with exquisite detail. It may feel like there is so much to learn and do in watercolor, and it can be a little bit overwhelming. I've discovered through my own experiences and watching my students develop their own skills that to get past these feelings is to consistently paint and create. Through painting on a regular basis, you'll not only gain knowledge of watercolor, but confidence, as well as many enlightened moments that will change how you view your world. And of course, the most important thing to do while learning is to play and have fun with the paint and the process. There is so much joy to be found with watercolor. To get you started with painting, I've created a free online course that teaches you a vital step in watercolor painting. It's called Negative Painting, Positive Thinking in Watercolor. It is a step-by-step course that teaches you how to create this painting in watercolor. It also teaches you the basics of negative painting so that you can find your own leaves in here and further push yourself to create something more like this. Please follow the link at leslieredheadart.com to take this course. It covers the supplies that you need as well as a step-by-step tutorial. If you have friends that would enjoy this video, please share it with them and let them have the opportunity to take this free course as well as some of my future courses. It would be my privilege to help you embrace your inner artist and to get you started painting the way that you've always wanted to paint. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow the link and have fun painting.